Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this very beautiful 3D moon and star. You can get the files from Etsy. I put the link in the description box below. I used foil cardstock, but you can use a different color if you want. You can also put fairy lights or flameless tea light inside. It will make a beautiful display in your kids' room, living room, office, or even at parties. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Upload, Upload Image, and then click Browse. And since I'm going to do the moon first, I'm going to click the moon file, and then Open, click Upload, then click the image that we've just uploaded, and then Add to Canvas. And then here, it says to resize to 25.40 by 25.78 inches. I resized mine to 20.40 by 20.78 inches instead because I want the pieces to fit my 8.5 by 11 inches cardstock. But if you're using a 12 by 12 inches cardstock, you can resize this file to 22.40 by 22.78 inches. But if you're using a cardstock bigger than 12 by 12 inches, you can resize it to the suggested size, which is 25.40 inches by 25.78 inches. So now I'm going to change the size to 20.40 inches by 20.78 inches. So I'm going to unlock the lock icon first by clicking it. And then I'm going to change the size to 20.40 by 20.78. And now it's time to ungroup the file. Click Ungroup. And the writing, we can delete that. And I'm just going to zoom it out so we can see all the pieces. Now we need to attach these broken lines to each piece. They will serve as score lines that will help fold the flaps easily. And I'm going to select this piece, and as we can see, these three are now highlighted on the layers panel. We need to attach them together. So click Attach. And now we're going to repeat this step until we get all the broken lines attached to each piece. And after we're done attaching them, I will now make all their color the same, and then I'll click Make It. And since I'm going to use 8.5 by 11 inches cardstock, I'm going to change the material size to 8.5 by 11 inches. And as we can see here, we need 6 8.5 by 11 inches cardstock. And then click Continue. And then click Medium Cardstock. I always adjust the pressure to more. So this is the cardstock that I'm going to use for the moon. I'm going to use tacky glue for the base, but I'm going to use hot glue for the decorative side. Pre-fold the flaps. Apply the glue to the outside part of the flaps. And then glue it to this piece that has this flap. It's now time to make the star. So open your Design Space app, click Upload, Upload Image, and then Browse. And then from here, I'm going to click the star file, then click Upload, and then click the image that we've just uploaded and then Add to Canvas. And there's a note here that says we need to resize the file to 15 by 14.20 inches. So click the lock icon first, and then change the size to 15 by 14.20 inches. And then click Ungroup. And then we need to attach those broken lines to the piece. So select one piece, and then click Attach. And then repeat this step until we get all the broken lines attached to each piece. And then we can delete this writing. And then I'm going to make their color the same. Then click Make It. And since I'm going to use 8.5 by 11 inches cardstock, I'm going to change the material size to 8.5 by 11 inches. Just moving this piece so it's not too close to the star. And then click Continue. And then here I'm going to choose medium cardstock. So this is the gold foil cardstock that I'm going to be using for the star. And then I'm just cutting the excess. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you on the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!